Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the long division symbol in Word. First, open your Word document. Then, go to the Insert tab located at the top of your screen. Look for the Equation button within the Symbols group and click it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Insert New Equation to begin creating your mathematical expression. This will open a new equation editor box for you. Once the equation editor is active, you'll see a new Design tab appear. In the Structures group, locate the Fraction button. Click on it and then choose the Stacked Fraction option. This particular selection will insert a fraction template into your document, which includes a horizontal line that serves as the top part of your long division symbol. It's a great starting point for our goal. Now, with your stacked fraction in place, click inside the top box, which is the numerator. To create the extended bar for long division, simply type a space or a placeholder character, such as an underscore. This action will effectively stretch the horizontal line of the fraction, giving you the upper bar of your long division symbol. It's a simple trick to get the desired visual effect. Finally, you can add your numbers. Type the dividend directly into the denominator box, which is now beneath your extended bar. For the divisor, you might need to use a separate text box or carefully spaced characters to position it to the left of the bar. Remember to adjust the font size and spacing as needed to ensure your long division symbol looks clear and professional in your document.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.